In South Africa, in, in South Africa, a group of elephants starts to walk slowly across the land. These large gray animals
Animals.
animal
Walk.
walk for more than 10 hours. Their long noses often move from side to side as they walk. This group are
Herd.
of elephants just to the home of their human friends. They have not been there for about 2 years, but they seem to sense that something has happened. Something has happened. Their human friend has just died. The elephants seem to mourn in his death. They seem to be honoring him. But who was this man? In Rice world, he is special to elephants. The spotlight is on this man. His name was Lawson Anthony. Many people call him the elephant
Whisperer.
He was a friend to many wild animals. Anthony lived in Angola, South Africa. His role conservationist. He worked to
Protect.
wild animals in the places they live. He often researched Tola. This very large area of land is used to protect wild animals. Such animals do well in game reserves because they can live in their natural environment. In 1999, an animal
Organization.
talked to the Lawson Anthony. They told him about a herd of elephants. These elephants were a big problem. They were very dangerous. They jailed and outrun
Charged.
outrun other
Vehicles.
and people.
Vehicles
and people. The elephants were also dangerous that the authorities who have to kill them, but Anthony did not want that to happen. He wanted to save the elephants, so he decided to leave them at home at Tula. The elephants are drowned at Tula in a big church. They were released into a special area for keeping animals. This area has strong fences. This animal has strong fences. The elephant would get an electric shock if they touch the fences. But till the elephant escaped, Anthony had to fry the elephants. They had bled the safety of Tula. All the people would shoot elephants if he did not fry them. After many days, he found them, but they had destroyed more property, and they had charged at another.
Charged.
They were very dangerous. Anthony brought the elephant home to Tula again. This time he tried something different. he decided to live with the elephants.
Elephants.
He lived, slept, slept by the elephant for many weeks, but he did not grow to walk close. The elephant got angry if he came too near, but Anthony would sit and talk. He did this for a particular purpose. He wanted the elephant to trust him. He told the BBC World Service, "I would walk around talking to myself. I tried to get them used to my voice. Sometimes I would think I would be there for weeks." After a little while, the elephant let him come closer to the fence and talk. He talked to them as if they were people. He told them they were in their new home. He told them that they would be happy. He wanted to persuade the elephant to stay in Tula. The leader of the elephants were the female girl Nana. Nanas were the matriarch. Anthony concentrated. Anthony concentrated his efforts on her. As the week but Nana let him move nearer and nearer. Then one day he put her long shot through the fences. Anthony moved closer. She reached out, and Nana shot Anthony with her trunk. He has accepted him. Anthony said that everything changed after this happened. He discovered that the other elephant accepted him too. He told BBC World Service, "I began to understand that what the matriarch made a decision. Makes a decision. She communicated it to the herd. The next day, there was no tension. The elephant was calm. That day, Anthony released the elephant from the fence and anger. This was a big decision. If the elephant left Tula, it would be shot and killed. But it broke. The elephant knew how to escape, but they chose to stay. Anthony formed a very special link with the elephants. They became very close. They were friends. His son Jason told the BBC radio firm he could stand and call them to them. And call. And they would come and touch him. An amazing relationship. Anthony had a special relationship with elephants, but he wanted to protect all the animals too. In 2004, he saw the television news of the province of Baghdad, Iraq. He knew that there was a big zoo there. He discovered that no one planned to save the zoo animals, so he decided to save them himself. He flew to Kuwait